Place the detection host on a flat surface. Take out 5 sets of 9 core data cables and 3 core power cables, totaling 10 cables. The host has 5 sides, with 2 interfaces on each side requiring connection. Connect 2 cables, sequentially to each interface on the detection host. Repeat the same steps to install all 10 cables. The detection host is wiring completed. Connect the other end of the cables to the interfaces on the back of the jamming unit. Each side requires 2 connection cables. After the wiring is completed, insert the jamming unit into the side of the host for fixation. Repeat the same steps for the other 4 sides. Take out the main power cable and connect one end to the bottom of the host. The interface is located on the far left. Take out the network cable and connect it to the interface on the host. The network interface is in the middle. After all wiring is completed, insert the network cable into the computer and connect the power cable to an electrical source. After assembly, the device can be installed onto vehicles as needed.